Welcome back everybody, and let's perform a demonstration of our malware capabilities. I always like to show my students what they should expect at the end of the course. So right now, we're going to perform a test of our malware and see some of its functions that you will have at the end of the course. So right here, I have my Kali Linux 2019.4 hacking machine, and right here, I have my fully updated Windows 10 target machine. So if I go to my hacking machine and start my server, which is one of the programs that we're going to code, it will listen for the incoming connections from anywhere. So right now, if I go to my target machine, and let's say the target wants to go to the My Vacation Photos folder, which is located on the desktop, they notice that there are 4 images in the My Vacation Photos folder, but they only recognize first 3. So they have no idea from where the wood lake came from. They run the woodlake.jpg, which will open up an image of a lake. Everything will look normally. Even if they close it, nothing will be shown on the desktop or anywhere else. They will have no idea that just by opening this image, they have started our malware. And right now, if I go back to my Kali Linux machine, we can see we successfully established a connection with Windows 10 target machine. And right now, if we want to, we can run any command that you can run in a Windows command prompt, such as, for example, who am I, to check out the machine that you are running on. You can check out the IP address using the ipconfig command. You can check out all of the directories and all of the files that the target has. If you type dir command, it will give you an output of all of the files in that current working directory. And we can see our program is currently hidden in the temporary directory on target machine. Another thing we can do, we can start our keylogger using a simple command called keylog_start. Press your enter, and just like that, our keylogger has started, and it will capture all of the keystrokes that the target inputs in their keyboard. So let's see how that will work. Let's say the target wants to go to the My Secret Passwords folder, and they want to add a new password, for example, for a Steam account. They go right here, they type Steam, 2 dots, enter for the new line, then tab, and then password 321. Let's say that is the password for their Steam account. But if we go back to our Kali Linux machine and type dir once again in the same directory as our malware, we can see there is a new file called windows.txt. If we want to see the contents of the file, we can type the command, which is type windows.txt. It will output everything that the target has inputted in their keyboard since we started our keylogger. And we can see right here, Steam, 2 dots, new line, then tabbed in, and then the password 321. This will also work for any online account and any login page. So if they go, for example, to an Instagram login page, they type in, let's say, video_test as a username and test1234 as a password. If we go back to our Kali Linux machine and type C command as previously, we can see the Instagram credentials have been added to the file. As we can see, video_test and test1234. So now that we know that we can also steal their data, let's see how we can navigate between the directories. We can use the cd command to, for example, go to the C directory, see the contents of the C directory, go to the users, for example, then to the user's desktop. And we can see all of the contents of their desktop directory. If we want to, we can also start different files. And also what we can do is we can create a persistence on the target machine. How can we do that? Well, simply just by using the persist command, which we will also code. It will create an actual persistence on the target machine, meaning it will add our malware to the registry, which will allow us to automatically start our program every time the target restarts their machine, without them even knowing it. So you can see right here, we get the response from our malware, which says created persistence at this registry. So those are just some of our malware functions. And let's say right now we want to quit our program. We can simply just type the Q command, which will close the connection and which will close our program. So we will see how to code all of this. We will also see some of the social engineering techniques to mask our program to look just like a normal program, as you saw in the woodlake.jpg file. It only opened the image and nothing else, but it also ran our malware in the background. So that's about it for the demonstration, and in the next video I will show you a unique way to make any exe file an image. So hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I hope I will see you in the next lecture. Bye!